We're as surprised as you are. This really is the all-new Peugeot 508, a replacement for Pug's aging big saloon. And my, doesn't it look good? It's a more rakish take on the 5-door hatch formula. In fact, it borrows quite heavily from Pug's rather lovely, Instinct concept from last year's Geneva Motor Show, a car we hoped would make it into production in some form. All things considered, meet some form. The front and back gets intensely from that shooting brake idea, introducing a sleeker, bring-down roadster-ish profile. You even get frameless entryways and, conveniently, combination wheels intended to fill the wheel curve lodgings. There'll be 6 oil and diesel engines of undisclosed limit, 1.6 and 2.0 liter diesels, 1.6 liter oil, most likely, the smallest one directing out 128 bhp, however the most sizzling one up to this point beat out at 222 bhp. Hey, remarkable, driving knowledge is guaranteed. Sooner or later in its life cycle, we'd additionally put cash on a PHEV with significantly more power. Peugeot lets us know the new 508 gets heaps of driver helps, alongside night vision, not to experience your Batman fancies, but rather to better observe people on foot and different things during the evening, or diminish perceivability. This encourages up inside the Peugeot's most recent age, high cockpit. You're taking a gander at the favor end of a substantial 10 inches capacitive touchscreen, a 12.3 inches head-up instrument board, bunches of cowhide and a vibe selector. You pick between, help or unwind. Continuously help, unless you need to unwind. In which case, unwind. Gracious, and it has a 487-liter boot. In excess of a BMW 3 Series Cantina, and only 7 liters short of a 3 Series home. Peugeot supervisor Jean-Philippe Imperato needs this new 508 to shake up the market with an extraordinary new car that can rival the best. And, for the D segment, we are talking about the best car manufacturers in the world. Diversion on. You'll have the capacity to arrange one from this late spring. We'll bring you more news as we get it, likely at the car's Geneva Motor Show disclose.